Welcome back to Sneak Peek. My name is Brittany, and this is the sister episode to the real debut, talking about the winner of Product Hunt Product of the Day, which is Chat by Copy AI from March 8th, 2023. In today's episode, we're going to take just a few minutes to quickly go through this new product. If you checked out the real debut already, I did mention that we could possibly test this against ChatGPT because it's an obvious competitor. So let's dive right in with their onboarding process. This is the Product Hunt page. You can see that Chat by Copy AI got a whopping 4,575 upvotes, which is pretty huge. It actually takes you directly to a login page. Now, I actually do think that this was probably on purpose to try and get people to just automatically log in. However, in the real debut, we did discuss their actual landing page here for that product. So following this level, you can choose to just continue and log right in. I have not actually created an account yet, so I guess it hooked right into my Google. All right, we are back. I actually had to speed up the video there because the way I initially logged in did not work. So I actually had to go back to the site and create a different way to log in. It might have been user error here, but the login process did take a few minutes to create my account. But let's dive right back into it. This is the interface of Copy AI's chat now that I have logged in. As you start the onboarding, it actually does ask you what best describes your role. I'm going to go ahead and choose marketer at an agency. I will go ahead and say we need to make social media content. That'll be the best goal here for right now. And how did you hear about us? We heard about you through Product Hunt. So I'll just go ahead and put Hunt here. All right, so it's immediately giving me an offer for 1 year for Copy AI for only $300. One thing that's interesting is that it does say on the site that it is always going to be free, so this just must be their premium offering. And maybe in a further video, we can explore what differences the premium offering has versus the free offering. All right, so this is the interface of Chat by Copy AI. When you first log in, it gives you some of the highlights: real-time searching, long-form content, brainstorming ideas. Over here, I believe is where you can start typing and pasting to get started, though I'm a little bit confused if I should be adding my prompts here or here. I'm gonna guess it's here. It looks like in this case I can actually browse which types of prompts we want to use. So I guess, wow, okay. Let's try YouTube video description. Perfect. And I'll use this prompt. So in this case, write a 100-word YouTube video description that compels product hunters to watch a video on the landing page of top product of the day for which, excuse my poor typing, which is Chat by Copy AI. Mentions the following keywords. Let's say Chat by Copy AI. Keyword 2. Let's see. Let's talk about comparisons to Chat GPT. That's something we did talk about, as well as best and worst freeze frames, which is one of the segments that we talk about in the real debut. All right, so this is their prompt that they actually offer. This is not something offered by ChatGPT. And let's see what it comes up with. If you're a product hunter looking for the next big thing, then you won't want to miss our video on Chat by Copy AI. In this deep dive, we compare Chat by Copy AI to ChatGPT, giving you an exclusive look at the top product of the day. We'll explore the benefits of using Chat by Copy AI, including its lightning fast response times and unparalleled accuracy. Plus, we'll show you the best and worst freeze frames so you can see Chat by Copy AI in action. Don't miss out on this must-watch video. It could change the way you do business. All right, pretty close. There's a few things in here I would change, but this is actually a really great start to the beginning of a description. Now, for comparison, since we did mention we would do that in the real debut, I'm going to copy this prompt. Now remember, this prompt came from Copy AI. ChatGPT does not actually give you prompts, so you would have to write them yourself. Just to keep it as a fair comparison here, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and input the exact same prompt. In this video, we'll be exploring the landing page of Chat by Copy AI, the top product of the day on Product Hunt. We'll dive into the similarities and differences between Chat by Copy AI and ChatGPT, two popular AI chatbot tools. You'll see how Copy AI's natural language processing capabilities make it a powerful tool for creating and engaging personalized chat experiences. Plus, we'll show you the best and worst freeze frames from the landing page, giving you insight into what works and what doesn't when it comes to visual storytelling. Don't miss out on this insightful video on one of the hottest products of the day. Okay. I actually do like ChatGPTs a little bit better, but to be fair, I think they are both fantastic examples of how you could use an AI tool to help you generate some of these responses. I think the biggest selling point I see so far for Chat AI is simply the prompts. Before we move on, let's take a quick look at the templates we have here. It looks like we have a lot of templates that you can pull from, making it a little bit easier. I can certainly see the benefit of this, as in my experience learning how to work with ChatGPT, it took me a minute to kind of figure out how to word the prompts most effectively. So this is a handy new feature. And of course, we also have tools. Looks like here we can try some of the other types of tools available, like recruiting outreach emails, sales LinkedIn email. Very cool. So here it looks like I could actually put somebody's LinkedIn. Just for testing purposes, I quickly grabbed my own LinkedIn profile. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Let's go ahead and add in a prompt. Since we're playing with Copy AI, why don't I say this is a sales email from Chat by Copy AI. Is a new AI chat tool to help you develop content, emails, and so much more. All right, let's see what it comes up with. So subject, solving educational challenges. Now, the reason it says educational is that in my career, I have focused a great deal on training, learning and development, and education. So it's definitely pulling from my personal LinkedIn. Hi, Brittany. I've noticed that you're a passionate L&D specialist focused on storytelling. This is actually my little tagline in my profile. I'm wondering if you've been struggling to create engaging and effective educational content. We're working on something special at Chat by Copy AI that can help you develop content, emails, and much more. So that's pulling from what I added in. I'd love to chat more with you about your challenges and how we can help. Let me know if you're interested in learning more. Okay. So clearly, I think that one of the biggest differentiators here is going to be the fact that they do have so many different prompts available. Overall, this was a really interesting look at Chat by Copy AI. I know that I'm probably going to do more comparisons of these in the future as I take a look at some of the differences and pros and cons of both of these tools in the near future. Thank you so much for tuning into the sneak peek. If you haven't checked it out, please go ahead and look at our real debut where we actually go through the landing page that Chat by Copy AI built to tell the right story to their customers. The ux.movie team discusses what are the best parts of the freeze frames on that landing page and maybe some things that could be improved as well. Thanks so much for tuning in.